Give me or any of my students any subjective problem and we will solve it for you. But the idea is not for us to create codependent relationship with you, but actually to give you specific tool, FAIR transformational or transcendental technique, which from the moment when you learn it, you can solve anything that you perceive as a problem. And it doesn't matter if it's something that you've been carrying for decades, that's something that happened 30, 40 years ago, or something that just aroused 10 minutes ago. Same thing. You will be capable of solving it yourself. So you're no longer dependent on anybody. I know there's a lot of inspirational, motivational, informational seminars, workshops, coaching, and sometimes they have great insights that can uplift you for a while, but you will still have your problem. Sometimes you read a great book and get some great coaching or whatever, but you still have your issue. FAIR transformational technique deals with the cause of an issue. Once there's no cause, many consequences are gone. Let's say you have insomnia. You go to a doctor, he gives you pills for your insomnia. What he's doing, he's just masking your problem. He's not dealing with the cause of it. So you're getting the pills for insomnia, but your problem is still present because you have not solved the cause of it. When there's no cause, there's no consequences. So with FAIR transformation technique, you're going to be able to solve the reason why you don't sleep at night or anything else that's bothering you, because technique allows you to solve or remove, integrate energy or emotional charge from anything that you perceive as a problem. And you can do it yourself or in a group setting with the people who are studying this technique as well. So I'm inviting you to complimentary, free of charge workshop at Waldorf Astoria, Beverly Hills, March 14th at 5:30 p.m. And on that workshop, I will also give you some gifts. One of the gifts will be a technique how to solve acute pain, physical pain, whose cause is psychosomatic. Also, at the same workshop, I will perform in a group setting for everybody at the same time. You will choose 3 trauma from your past, and I will make sure that they disappear for you forever. And, of course, if you follow the instructions. I'm going to make sure I say that. And also, if there's enough time, I will teach you another technique that in a couple of minutes, you can change your emotional states. So all of these techniques are quick, fast, within 5 minutes. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the live workshop, Waldorf Astoria, Beverly Hills, March 14th, 5:30 p.m. I'll see you there.